Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into my 30-day journey with 16/8 intermittent fasting. If you've been curious about this popular eating pattern, stick around to hear about my experience, the challenges I faced, and the surprising results I saw. Before we jump in, let's quickly break down what 16/8 intermittent fasting actually is. It's an eating pattern where you fast for 16 hours each day and eat only during an 8-hour window. For me, that meant skipping breakfast, having my first meal at noon, and finishing dinner by 8 p.m. Now, let me take you through my 30-day experiment. Week 1, the adjustment period. I'm not gonna lie, the first few days were tough. My stomach was growling by 10 a.m., and I found myself constantly watching the clock. But by day 4, something interesting happened. My body started adapting. The hunger pangs lessened, and I actually felt more energized in the mornings. One trick that really helped was staying hydrated. I made sure to drink plenty of water and black coffee during my fasting hours. This helped curb my appetite and keep me focused. Week 2, finding my rhythm. As I settled into the routine, I noticed some positive changes. My digestion improved, and I felt less bloated. I also started making better food choices during my eating window, focusing on nutrient-dense meals to fuel my body. A typical day looked like this. 12 p.m., break my fast with a big salad topped with grilled chicken and avocado. 3 p.m., Greek yogurt with berries and nuts. 7 p.m., grilled salmon with roasted vegetables. I found that planning my meals in advance really helped me stick to the schedule and make healthier choices. Week 3, the unexpected benefits. By week 3, I was surprised to find that my focus and productivity had increased, especially during my fasting hours. I also started sleeping better at night, which was an unexpected but welcome bonus. One challenge I faced was social situations. Going out to dinner with friends became tricky if it fell outside my eating window. I had to learn to be flexible and adjust my schedule when needed. Week 4, the final stretch. In the last week, I really hit my stride. The fasting period became second nature, and I felt in control of my eating habits. I even found myself naturally gravitating towards healthier food options. Now, let's talk about the results. Number 1. Weight loss. I lost 4 pounds without changing what I ate, just when I ate. This was a pleasant surprise, as I wasn't specifically trying to lose weight. Number 2. Improved energy. My energy levels stabilized, and I no longer experienced that mid-afternoon slump. I felt more alert and focused throughout the day. Number 3. Better sleep. I fell asleep faster and woke up feeling more refreshed. This could be due to not eating close to bedtime. Number 4. Increased focus. I was more productive, especially during my fasting hours. This was unexpected but definitely welcome. Number 5. Reduced cravings. My sugar cravings decreased significantly. I found myself naturally gravitating towards whole, unprocessed foods. Number 6. Improved digestion. I experienced less bloating and overall better digestive health. Number 7. Mental clarity. I felt sharper and more clear-headed, particularly in the mornings. Number 8. Better relationship with food. I became more mindful of what and when I was eating, which led to better overall food choices. It's important to note that while this worked well for me, intermittent fasting isn't for everyone. Some people may experience side effects like irritability, difficulty concentrating, or even binge eating during their eating window. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet regimen. Here are some tips if you're considering trying 16/8 intermittent fasting. Number 1. Ease into it. Start with a 12-hour fast and gradually increase to 16 hours. Number 2. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, black coffee, or herbal tea during your fasting window. Number 3. Plan your meals. Make sure you're getting balanced, nutritious meals during your eating window. Number 4. Be flexible. It's okay to adjust your schedule for special occasions or social events. Number 5. Listen to your body. If you're feeling unwell, it's okay to break your fast. Remember, everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. The key is finding an eating pattern that's sustainable and enjoyable for you in the long run. In conclusion, my 30-day experiment with 16/8 intermittent fasting was overall a positive experience. While it had its challenges, especially in the beginning, I found the benefits to be worth it. I plan to continue with this eating pattern, albeit with a bit more flexibility. Have you tried intermittent fasting? Let me know about your experience in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.